Hello guys, welcome back to the another new video. So in this video, I'm going to design a beautiful and most efficient login page with the registration page and forget password, everything. Okay, I'll cover everything in this video. So here, this is the login page, username and password. Okay, this is only very simple, guys, and you can just log in the name and password, then login. Then it will not to redirect to the another page because this is the HTML design. Then you can register, then full name, email, password, and confirm password. So if you want to, then you can add the more, like your ID and another etc. You can create, no problem. Then create account, register, then create account. That's the very simple ways. Create account is the simple format of the title. This is the name. Okay. Then register, then login password and forget password. You can type your email, then reset password. Okay. Then you will get a notification from the email. So this is the very beautiful design. Today I will design this template, and also I will design this template, and this is the empty format. You just text add here from here, and I will show you how to most efficient design for the developer, junior developer, and professional developer. Okay, I will design only index css index.html file and nothing else, and this is the will three files. Okay, and I will show you how to connect the css and html to javascript, everything. Okay, now this is the beautiful design, guys. So I think that you will enjoy this tutorial, and guys, if you like my video, obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. So okay guys, so let's start this design first of all. So this is a very simple design. We can start first of all this design because this is a very unique, and if you learn something special from this video, okay, then I will show you how to design this one. This is the custom design easily, formatting the theme first code base, and this is the actually professional design. Okay, so let's go to the code. First of all, this is the neuromorphism file, and this is the only one file. Okay, so this file will be added here like this one. Okay, so in this file, I created two files. Okay, this is the another file, login registration HTML CSS, and this is the another folder. Okay, so I'm going to work in this folder. So let's go to the folder. So this is the folder, neuromorphism login page and index.csl. I just deleted another page. This is the page I will work. Okay, and here I'll delete everything. Okay, everything I will delete it, and also just copy this format for style because this is the actually Google fonts, so you have to Google and use this one. So link of this one, only copy this and delete everything. Then you just show that here will be delete everything, here nothing here. Okay, so let's go to the design here. So first of all, you have to add the docs file. This is the image abbreviation. You have to just go to your extension here, and you just type html extension, then it will be show to you lots of extension you can add here, no problem. So you just add image. Okay, image, then html image. You can search html image, then it will be show to you different snippet, HTML snippet, HTML image, then React, Next.js, and GitHub Copilot. This is the very important, guys. This is very important. And then yes, 7 and the cursor code AI. This is the most efficient for the now, and day by day in this world, going to the fastest and very good. Okay, every developer have know the snippet, JSS snippet, and JSS code extension, and lots of code extension are available in the here. Then you can add the live server. I just put already live server from here. Okay, so this extension in materials is absolutely beginner friendly and professional friendly developer needed from this code base. Okay, this code base snippet, etc. Okay, so now we just added the doc and language, then header file inside of this head. Okay, then now title, we just copy it for uh, previous code. So in this here we just add meta name before. Okay, then link up, then copy this and paste it. So now we are going to design and HTML code all are one single of file, like header file. I will add the custom style, everything. If you want to accept, then it will be accepted. Okay, no problem, but you have to correction this one because it's showing to you error. So in this here I'm just going to the code base, like style. I just deleted it, everything and deleted. Then if you want to, I don't need to the link of the style.css because I'm going to code in this one file. Okay, so here is this file, and I'm just going to the design section part after the body part. Okay, so here I'm going to use div, or you can use the div dot container. Don't mistake spelling actually. Container. I'm just going to easily. Then here you just go to the, then toggle button, toggle btn, then go to the another the button id, login button or etc. Okay, then bt btn button, then id, that's mean the id. Then you can uh, give the id name login btn, btn button. Okay, so that's the guys, very simple. And you have to learn how can write the code. So if you want to this accept from the Google GitHub or Copilot and the GitHub Copilot, so you can use the this one. Then class name will be, this the very guys active. You can use the tab, use tab, that means tab, tab in your keyboard. You can use tab. Okay, then here active, then I can use the on click. When I click this one click, it will be show login, show login page, login, and use this function. Okay, you can click this active button, then show the login function. Sorry for sorry for guys, I'm just fasting in this Ramadan, so that's why my tone is very deep. So in show login, then you can use login button. Then same way you just copy and paste. Then you can use the, then login and button. Then you can use the register button here. I'm sorry guys. Resi button, register button. That's depend on you. Register button, register btn. Then on click on show login, here will be show register. You can change this show register. And don't forget this spelling mistake, then it will be rigged to your code. Register. Okay, then now we are here is the, what is the button actually? Why this one? No, I don't need to this one because we are already added this every button single of the into the div section. Okay, So this is the div, so we can complete this div one. So I'm just going to design the another div class from container, then use this one another div, then form id, it will be form, then use the id name, login form, or don't spelling mistake, okay guys. Then login from, and you can use this class name will be form active. Though in this here you can use the input type or spelling or span class etc, you can use, no problem. So I'm just going to span, use this one actually, forget password, forgot password. This is the very complex code, guys. Here I'm just going using this on click, again on click function, show forgot password, show forgot, you can use forgot password. So inside of this here, you just going to use this function name function, then you can use this here forgot password. Then you can use the input text username, input text password name, and the input text button login. Okay, so that's very simple, guys. So one of them you can use this another one, input type text. Okay, then placeholder username, you can use the record. Okay, record. Then you can use another function name. So password, and password will be also record. So this is the HTML design, so no problem, you don't use this record. So here you can use the another button class name, button, you can go to the button class name btn. That's very simple, guys. Or you can submit the submit button, submit btn. Okay, so that's the very easy. So now form is completed. So we are going to use the another form id registration. So if you want to use this form action, then you can use, no problem. But if you think that this is the very crucial for your code, so you can you write only on your, use your hand and brain also. Okay, so guys, if you don't think that, if you don't understand this code, then please in the comment section you can write down your comment. I will note and I will reply your answer. Okay, so here you just use this code, then accept tab, or if you think that this is not like that your uh, code base, so don't use this. I'm just using this one actually, because in this copilot exactly detection the previous code and then give me this another code. Okay, so that's why I just accept it. So in this here you can use the form. So you can use form id, so don't use this one form. And in the previous one actually you have to delete the form action, because this is the another system method. Okay, I just deleted this one. Okay, form id registration, then form, then input type text and placeholder username. Oh, here I'm going to use the another actually input type will be or span. I I'm just going to use the forget password or use this created account. So span class span dot, that means that is the class create account and enter this button. So then we are build this registration form. Registration form will be created account. Then here you can use create an account. Okay. Then there is actually record name, text button, placeholder will be username, or you can use this full name. Then you this email, then password, then this one copy this and paste it here. Then it will be confirm password. Then here you just use this password. Okay, here no problem. Type will be it's no problem. This is the very similar. So guys, this is very amazing guys. Here you can use this register. Then same way you can use this form. Then inside of form you have to use this another. Okay, so now we are going to use this register form. We are completed. Now forget it password. So you can use this forget password, use this tab and get this forget password, and same way detect the another one. Okay, this is the very simple guys. And it's very easy for copilot extension. So it will be automatically suggested. So reset your password. Here you can add the reset your password here. And inside of this you can use this reset password, reset password, and must be type this one small letter, use small letter, or you can use forget password. This actually is, sorry for that, forgot password. Then placeholder email will be required. Then submit button. Then here just to go to the reset password, reset password. Okay, so now we are going to use this another one, reset password. So just to go to your browser and show this one actually, which will be created. Here is the your browser. So that is our login password and record. And design actually, this is the record. Okay, this is record. Anything you can record, you just submit it, button register and login you have to show to you, and the notification please fill out this field. So that's the called record work record please. So now we just go to the design part, and then we'll work the actually CSS part inside of this here. But now we are going to I just told you about previous few minutes ago. Inside of the header we just add style.css. Now go to the style, but don't use the another thing that. So use this one. If you want to think that, you can use your margin padding top and automatically it will detect it. So use this step. I'm just going to use step. Then here if you want to use the body part, so go to your body part section I think that is the very important for your design part section body. Then use this one. Oh, sorry for that. Then if you want to think that this is the design part, it will be automatically designs your section. You can use this your tab section. Okay, so then you just go to your browser and show that what is this, guys. This is very simple. And how you just display flex and justify center, justify content center, alignment item center, all are will come to the center point. Mean height you can use, and here you just use this linear gradient part. It will be 130 dBs. You can use the tape. Then if you want to use the color section part, you can use color, the previous color code. Use this one E. Then you can use 0 E5 E5 EC. Okay, that is the color, and you can change the another color code from here. You can use F0, then F5 F5 FA. Okay, that's the color. You can go to your browser and refresh this. Okay, so that's the gradient color. And what's the difference between, look here, this is the white and this is the gradient color. So I think that you just use this another one. You can delete this actually, then use red one, red. Then what happened, you just check out this one actually. So that's the uh, red color. So in the background color you can change, no problem. So just use this and control Z and control Z, and then there it will be gone. It has gone. Okay, so now inside of this here I'm just going to container. Okay, use this tab because it's automatically show what is the difference between your um, design. Okay, so that's why you can use and check your browser. Then you will check this is the design part, and if you want to change this one, so you can change, no problem. If you don't like that, so no problem, it's take this one. So here you can use 100% white. I just delete this. Okay, I don't need to this 100% makes white. It makes maximum white. I don't need to this record, but if you want to think that white only, you can delete it. This makes white, and then you can use padding. Padding will be 40, or here background color. If you think that background will be similar one, this one E0 E5 EC E0 E5 EC. You just copy this and paste it here, background color. Okay, so then you can use this border radius will be if you think that it's necessary. I don't think that, because this is not necessary for me. And box shadow will be here. I just deleted it because I think that it will be okay. Look that, guys, it's going to uh, remove your background color and everything changing now. Here I'm just going to use the 10 pixel, right? 10 pixel, then use the 10 pixel and RGBA, but I'm going to by default, so don't worry about this one. Pixel, 10 pixel, and turn to the left, right, and top. Then you can use the color. You can use BBB. Okay, then use comma. Then you can use this one, tap this. And if you think that border radius will be, I don't think that would also. Then text align center. So now you can check. So guys, what's look the different previous code. So that's actually our designing part section on inside of our heading area. So now we are going to design toggle button. So you have to check and recheck here. This is the toggle button. Copy this one and paste it here. Obviously you can use this class dot toggle button. Then here use this tab if you want, because you just show that what is the different. Okay, now looks the some a few differences are here. So I think that this is the actually display flex, then justify content center. Then I will use the gap here. I'm just going to use this gap to between the center of 2 pixel. Use this tab center, then margin of then 20 pixel. Okay, that's the good. Then if you want, if you think that you will use this another one margin, I don't need to this one, delete it. Then here you can show, okay, I'm just going to use this, delete it. Then code this directly live, not the different between others area. Okay, just to go through this one little bit small. That's because you don't think that. Okay, I'm just showing that one actually, guys. Okay, here is this. This is the Bengali word. I'll show to you. So don't the involve with any corrupted any activism. Okay, so that's the we just retain. We just reform our mind. So now we can just focus this one because this is the background color is different. So that, so if you think that, okay, now this is the actually code. So we are going to another button. First of all, you just use this toggle button. Oh, no. Then you have to use then toggle button. Then here you can use the button change button. So if you think that you can use this padding and border, then cursor point, everything you just use, then you can use this tab. Okay. So what happened? So that's the very cool design. That's the very cool, and it's automatically suggests to you how which color you will be used and what type of it will be designed on your website. So if you think that you can change this some area or few things, then you can change here, no problem. So I'm just going to use this actually a padding 10 to 10, 10 20, left right, then a cursor pointer. I don't think that this is the cursor pointer actually. Okay, then you can show that automatically detected on the live server. The border will be none. Border radius. If you think the border radius, I'm just going to use this 10 example. Okay, that's the very cool. And if you think that you just use the your border background color, background will be, I just change this one, background color will be f0 or then f5, previous one actually, then fa. Okay, automatically suggest to you. So f0, that means 0. Okay, so don't use this. So how cool is this, guys? This is the very lucrative. I think that is a very lucrative design. I think that. So here you just think that, and obviously you can delete this one. F0, then F5, FA. Okay. So now then background color. If you want to think that cursor pointer obviously need for this here, and I'm just going to use this one cursor pointer. Must be use this. Use always tab. Now if you think that color is necessary for one, I think that I don't like this one actually. Color, and here color is not effect on this here, because this is the little bit of your background color. Okay, use the background color little bit white. Okay, this is the gradient, or the gradient color. Toggle button, this is the button color. So this is the very very amazing guys. And here you can use your box shadow. If you think that box shadow, I just deleted it, and I'm just going to 5 pixel 10 bb, and then 5 wave 10 20. Okay, just enough for this one. The cursor pointer and transaction, I'm just going to use this. Transaction is the another formatting, like your how many second it will be used on this here. Then use all case of in out, or case, use this tab. Okay, then use 30 second age. Oh, sorry for that. Age in out. Okay, now that's the difference between gradient color. Then we can use the another one, dot btn. Then here you can go to use your btn button, obviously button, then dot active. So how I find this one actually, because this is a very little bit one, and button here, container, then button, toggle button, then you can use login button and ID, then active class is the active. So that's the class will be active design. So now we are going to use this one here, background color. First of all, background, you can use the background. Then here linear gradient, use your 135 degree. Then you can use this one, your this comma. Then you can use same color like BBB. Okay, maybe something is the different between your color design part. So it's not it, okay, I'm just deleting this one actually. I'm going to use 6A 341 6A1 CB image change. Oh, here's the mistake. 6A. Going to use this another one. I will give you this code in my description below, so don't worry about it. 25 2525 at FC 25, then 75 maybe. I don't think that this not FC. Okay, so now this is the how cool is this guys. So can you change this? Is this possible to design? Okay, that's very impressive, very amazing guys. Just you can go to your color background white, it will be automatically white. So FFF. If you think that use the 3 or 4 5, it's no problem. It's very very uh, it's not very impact on your previous design part, the button like btn active button. It's not impact. Okay, this is the gradient color, this is the priority, this is first one. So that's why now you can use this box shadow. Box shadow is necessary for your background part. So box shadow will 5 pixel, left 5 pixel, right 5 pixel. Okay, Then you can use your same thing that VV. Okay, then if you think that use this tab on. So how cool is this? Is this possible, guys? This is the design part. Wow, this is very amazing. I think that box shadow. So if you think that it's very necessary, so you can use. Otherwise, you don't use this one. Okay. So now I'm just going to use this another one. You think that lots of design idea available on your brain, then you can use no problem. Then you can go to your form container. Okay, use this tab. Then form container will be relative with this here. So now you just go to use the another one, form. So if you think that form will be this one, use this actually position or width height, I don't use this one similar way. Width will be 100%. Then use another one, height or padding. You can use this padding will 10%, 10 pixel. Okay, sorry for that. And here you just go to your uh, padding, then margin. You can use margin will be 10 left pixel, then right 0. Okay, that's very cool. Then here border will be none. Okay, then if you think that background color, so use this tab and background color. Wow, that's the very amazing, guys, very amazing. And if you think that box shadow will be similar this one, you can use this. Wow, that's the very lucrative. And if you think that you don't use, then just delete this one. Then outline, you can outline will be none here. Okay, none. Then font size, font size will be 16 or 15 pixel. It's totally depend user friendly. Then you can use the another one, font white. You can use this one, font white. Wow, that's the very great, I think that. And if you think that use your border radius 10 pixel, you can use border radius 10 pixel, but I don't think that it's not necessary for this here border radius. Okay, then now we are just going to use the another one, form or submit button. Oh, sorry for that. Form active, because we are going to use this one, form then active. Here is the active, form active. Okay, sorry for that actually. So here is the form active. So you can use this form active, use tab. Then if you think that form active will be display block, and it's no problem, you can use. Then go to your input button. Here is this, guys. Oh, sorry for that. Here's this input. So if you think that input button is required, so if you go to your input button, input, only input, and use this. So I think that input will be weight 100%, and padding margin, etc. That is the perfect, I think that. Okay, use this tab. And what is the difference between this one, different this, or nothing to change, so you can use, no problem. So here, background outline no, outline none, font size and font height. If you think that this is the perfect, so you can take, otherwise you just delete it. Border radius, border wait. Here the border. Okay, border radius will be 10 pixel. Okay, refresh it or automatically border radius, something like that. So here, oh, sorry for that. I don't think that this is the input button. Okay, now it's work. Okay, and then here I'm just going to use the submit button. Submit btn. Then use this, actually this one. Wow, that's the very amazing guys. If you think that your copilot automatically suggests to you, and how cool is this? And on the one page, then I will work on the JavaScript inside of login page and login button page, and create account and for reset your password, email, and reset. Okay, so I'll work everything inside of on this one page. Okay, now you think that input button will be 100% white, 100%, then padding 10 pixel, then you can think that margin is necessary for this one guys. I just think that margin not necessary for here. Okay, then border radius 10 pixel, then background color radiant gradient, then to the border box shadow. If you think the box shadow, I'm just, I don't use this one actually. What happened? Okay, right. If you think the box shadow will be here, this the box shadow. So if you think it's, well, okay, so I can use, no problem. So then cursor pointer font size, then here cursor pointer margin top. If you think that transactional, I don't think on margin top. Okay, that's the perfect margin top. Okay, everything the submit button. The here is the margin top will be 15 pixel. If you think that 20 pixel, you can use. Okay, just to go to this 25 pixel. It's nothing changed. Okay, so then this is the design part actually. Totally up to you. If you think that color is perfect, you can change, or if everything will change, no problem. So now here you can go to your, then automatically detected forget password, you can use tab, then forget password, then here is the forget password, then in this here everything will be like automatically detected for your forget password button and forget register form and login form, password, and show forgot password, and automatically detected step by step. Okay, so but in the meantime you can use two step like create account. Okay, because if you want thing that automatically work on that similar class name, two or three different you can use. Then here display, I just deleted it. Display will be block. Then go to the part of margin of, then margin of will be 10 pixel here. Then go to your part of the font size. Font size will, I think that for 14 pixel is perfect for here. Then color will be similar way as 6A11CB. Okay, then go to your cursor pointer, Okay, now you just click this here, then it will be automatically detected to you. uh, Forget password, hover effect, everything you just design on your site page, like the accept, then use this accept one, decorated, so well decorated, like here forget password and everything will be designed from here. So I think that guys, you just, so guys, sorry for that actually. I think that it was work for my code base. Like if I just work the design part on inside of forget part here, then automatically video recording has been stopped. I don't know actually. Sorry for that. So you just add this submit button and the input button text here. Then you just go to, I'm just deleted it because I don't record it previous here. Just to go to your script for script. So instead of, I'm just going to the function, then first of all showing login, then automatically detect this one, detected, and you can change this class name and everything will be changed here. Okay, after I will change, no problem. So then added the another one, you can use function, then automatically detect this code and use this function and automatically detect this code. Okay, caps lock is activate, then this is our code. And if you think that here is the automatically work everything. Okay, so this very simple function guys, this is the action even get element by id. Then you just use name, change your id name, like here login form. Okay, then activate, you can use active button this here, then you can change this here register from, you can use register from, then use this your forget password. Why this is actually one is, this is the function name and call this function from inside of here, like show password and register and show login. You can copy this and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. I think that it will be automatically workable. Okay, so that is our video today. So guys, if you think that this is very easiest JavaScript, you can change and modify. If you think that this is active and remove, if you think that it will be removed, then it will be automatically remove guys. So guys, so in this video you will show that this is the design actually. So I just forget about the design part inside of this name, show forgot and show register button, then place name will be say similar to this one. So when I just type, then it was maybe something mistake, then it's not working. So now here documented get element login form, and I told you previous, then class list dot active, and here register from, when will we click this register, then it will be workable from register, and remove this one, create one, then login and forget register, then forget register. It's now working guys. So this is a very simple video, and this is the very simple code but very most efficient code. I think you will enjoy this video. So guys, today is enough, and if you like my video, obviously subscribe my youtube channel. And I have a microphone problem actually, so that's why I didn't take any others video today. So thank you guys, thanks for watching, see you soon in the next video.